not tomorrow, not someday. As from today we are one. From the mountains to the sea, every face reflects in me. Different stories, different pain, still we dance under the same rain. We've been searching, we've been lost, counting lines, forgetting us, but the truth was always near. Love was speaking, we didn't hear. No more walls inside our minds, leave the fear and past behind. As from today we are one, one heartbeat under the sun. No more you, no more me, just one island family. As from today we are one. Let it echo, let it run, through every voice, through every soul. Together now we are whole. In a smile, in a helping hand, that's the strength of this land. Not in words that break apart, but in love that builds a heart. Every child, every dream, bigger than it may seem. If we stand and rise as one, we become what we've begun. No labels, no division, no past, no condition. Just people, just life, just love that survives. As from today we are one.